KVOA.com/lifesaver. Threat tracker right now is low. Storm Tracker 4 meteorologist Chuck George keeping a close eye on everything as we move into the weekend here. May not be much of a pool weekend.
No, it may not because of lightning, right?
Yeah.
Be lightning smart out there this weekend. Here's what we're tracking for you tonight, Sean. The cooling trend begins. I've got that in quotes because it's not going to be cool, but anything's better than 108 if we can get below that. That's what we were today. So we will be trending downward in temperatures, and by the weekend, upward in rain chances. Weekend storms are pretty likely. We'll have heavy rain and damaging wind with some of those. It was all about Cochise County today. You guys really got some monsoon action. Hour by hour for you tomorrow, 8 o'clock, 86 degrees already, 93 by 10, 98 degrees by lunchtime. We'll get up to about 105, and the high usually occurs this time of the year at about 4:30 p.m. So 4 o'clock temp, 103, but we could be 105 for the daytime high. That's what I'm forecasting. Here's your weekend poolcast for you. Look for only a 10% shot at storms tomorrow, but it goes to 40% Saturday, 50% on Sunday, with high temperatures Saturday and Sunday right at normal, 100 to about 101 degrees. 90 at the airport tonight. Now, we did cool down briefly as we got outflow winds from those Cochise County storms. We were in the 80s, but we've jumped back up just a little bit tonight. 90 degrees. Our dew point also rose as a result of the flow out of those storms. We're up to 57, puts the humidity at 33%. Temperatures around the metro, 85 out on the east side tonight, 81 down in Green Valley on the south side, only 70 in Nogales. You can see why, right? A shower just passed through, a little light thunderstorm actually off to the west of them. And in Nogales, we're starting to see it clear out. The same in Sierra Vista and Douglas after a very active afternoon. Our next weather maker, we're going to take a look at the models in motion. This will put us into Friday afternoon, then Saturday afternoon, Sunday, and Monday. I'm going to put pause points in here, or I have for you. 5 o'clock Friday afternoon, Cochise County again. Looks like we may be left out of this tomorrow. I've left the rain chance again at about 10% tomorrow. Saturday, though, a much better coverage of storms across southern Arizona. Even Phoenix may get rain this weekend, believe it or not. It does rain there once in a while. There's Sunday for you, and into Monday as well. And the end of next week, we're starting to see some trends that we may see something in the tropics develop. We'll keep you posted on that. You know, any of these storms this time of the year can produce a microburst. In case you are new to southern Arizona, these happen a lot during the monsoon. It's when we have a storm that rains itself into very dry air. That evaporates the rain, and when you evaporate it, it's like the swamp cooler on your house if you've got one. It cools the air down. When it cools down, it gets heavy and drops down, and voila, that's what we've got, a microburst. It hits the ground, the wind does, and spreads out in all directions. All right, let's get to the maps for tonight and tomorrow. Again, around 79 to 80 tonight for the overnight low in the city. Vail up to 99 tomorrow. Green Valley 102. These numbers are a lot better than today. 105 here, 91 in Bisbee, and 97 degrees in Douglas. Here's your storm tracker for 10-day tracker. Looking good for Saturday and Sunday if you want monsoon storms, and Monday as well. And then we drop it down to a 30%, but we keep the progression of monsoon storms through here all the way through the next weekend on the 10-day. I love that this time of the week, the 10-day goes all the way to the next weekend, Sean.
Yeah, it looks like there could be a lot of rain in there. Thanks, Chuck. A mobile market bringing affordable local